Filming. Nah, that is way steep. You're
Come
right.
on, y'all already in. Let's go. You can do it.
Oh, that shit is deep.
Pick your computer bag up. Pick your bag up. It's gonna get deeper.
Oh shit.
He's tall. He's tall.
Well, he's tall. The other one not so much. Yeah. Damn. This is Brandon and Jeff.
Brandon and Jeff.
Yeah. All right, now you got a tsunami coming because of the Camry.
Hurry up for that ambulance come through.
Oh man, and then the ambulance come. I think the Camry wants to see this happen. I mean, and then you can't blame the Camry. He has no fault in this. And look, the Honda over here driving sideways. Hey, this guy's gonna hit you guys.
How do you get off the median?
Okay, you're right, he did.
That's the same motherfucker that came through earlier.
Oh, then the ambulance is coming. This is all bad. This is too funny. Oh my god. Oh shit. Wow. Jeff, it's already too late, man. Just